Everyone. So in this video, I'll be teaching us how to download your website as a flash in your laptop. Let's say, for example, you just want to have a backup of your website in your laptop so you can easily upload it to another website or just to have a copy of it. So now to get started, we are going to install a plugin. So you go to add plugin and we'll be installing the plugin. You type migration, migration, and no, okay, yes, we'll be using this all-in-one WP migration and backup. So you click on install now. Okay, and we activate it. After installing, you make sure you activate the plugin, and okay, it's activating. So after the plugin has been activated, you just scroll down by your dashboard, just by the left of your dashboard. You're going to see all-in-one WP migration. Then you see all this. Then you click on export. So once you click on export, you're going to come to this menu. You click on this drop down and you click file. You just want to save it as a file. If you want to save to your Google Drive, you select if Dropbox, all those stuff. But then I want to save it as a file in my laptop. So I click on file and now it's preparing to export. Okay, so we're going to wait for it to prepare and export the file. So we wait for it to load. It's gathering all the media because it's actually going to save up everything that we have already in our website. So we'll wait for it to export. Okay. Okay, so we can see that's fully um downloaded application. So just click on download, and you can see it's beginning to download for us, and that's just it. So you wait for it to download finish and you have it in your laptop folder. Thank you for watching. If you're new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and share for more tutorials on WordPress, Shopify, and Squarespace.